This lesson is becoming media literate, and it's going to start off with a definition. So I'm going to show the students this video in about symbols and um, how people use symbols and where we find them. And then after that, they will view this and they will understand
Surrounded by
more.
images all day, whether we choose to see them or not, on advertising billboards, in the newspaper, on television and the internet. Also in science imaging becomes more important. Studium Generale, the extramural lectures department.
So they will understand that it's visual literacy and it's going to be around with a lot of the different topics and not only used in art. This here I did because in art we deal with copyrights and copyrighted information, images and photographs, and all of it is copyrighted. But what is copyright and how do you use it, and how would an artist use it since there are so many images out there? So this little video here, which I'm not going to show you any of, but it addresses what a copyright is and the rights of the user and the rights of the owner. And then you know, I'm going to explain to the students how you could use copyrighted information to your best advantage. From there, we will be discussing, you know, who created it and symbolism and how symbolism is used in the videos, and can we really believe everything that we see out there, is why it was created and who created it and what is the symbol and the message that they're trying to get. And this just is a real quick Photoshop makeover, which teaches the students that they can't believe everything they see. A picture used to be worth 1,000 words, but here we are seeing this old lady being transformed into this young beauty at the end of this video. She's a beautiful young person, and you can see it happening before your eyes. So we can't believe everything that we see anymore in media. So they have to be discerning and critical and figure that all out. And the same is true in art. Art has used symbols and messages that they sent. And these are just a few different examples from different eras in art and how they tell a story and what the artist is trying to get at and how it influenced people, and or how it reflects society itself. Here you have a contemporary artist making people out of trash, you know, and what's the message that this artist is trying to send? Not only does it have a message to be sent, but it also has a visual message, which then becomes a media visual, which then becomes media literacy. So they have to be ethical, and they have to be able to discern and decipher and synthesize and use and create what they're trying, the image and the message that they're trying to get across. So they're going to learn that they have to use, they have to comprehend it, they have to interpret it, they have to value it, they have to appreciate it, they have to critique it. Is it really there? Then they have to use it, and they have to do their part and share it. Most of the time artists make work and then they don't share it, and that's not in this partic in this participatory a participation culture that we're in now with all the social media out there and everything. It's our civic duty to really get our messages out there. And so as artists, we have to understand that we have to take this information and use it and change it and transform it in a big way, just like this egg turned into this chicken in a big way. It transformed itself. Copyrights are out there, but after the big transformation and the information, artists have to incorporate it to be their own big new idea. And so the students will then be faced with taking their ideas and using them. They'll be researching and looking for media and getting ideas from that. Their notes are going to have to be handed in along with a work of art that will be on their blog.